Good afternoon, Facebook. This is Johnny Sanchez from SellState Prime Realty here in Ave Maria. This is a broker's open. We had a great turnout. This home is listed at $529,900. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a private pool, golf membership included, and a 2.5-car garage. This is the front entrance. Has a closed screened-in porch. And to my right is an executive office, which is the den. Very spacious. And to my left is a guest bedroom. Closet. Very spacious closet. Tall ceilings throughout the whole home. And we have electric shutters, overhead electric shutters throughout the entire property, which is a nice feature. And here is the dining room, gourmet kitchen, gas appliance stove with a 200-gallon propane cylinder underground, reverse osmosis water system, all plantation shutters, and like I said before, overhead electrical shutters throughout the entire property, which is a really nice feature. We walk here, split floor plan. We have the laundry room with plenty of cabinet space, and goes right into the 2.5-car garage. It's very spacious. It's also generator ready. Installed. They have an installed system for a generator, and there is a generator in the property, and it's also, the price is included. We have a second bedroom. Very spacious closets. Bathroom. This would be the second bathroom, if you will. We come here across, and I'll show you outside in just a second. It's just gorgeous out there. This is the master suite. Plantation shutters as well. And look at this bathroom, how nice. His and her sink. Bathroom. And look at this. Closet is just humongous. It's humongous. Very nice feature. And we're going outside. This property is such a nice featured home here on the golf course. Look at the view here. It's just simply so peaceful. Very spacious to host private parties. Very spacious pool. Overhead electric storm shutters. Even in the lanai area, it's all screened in. No fencing, because it's not allowed here in Ave Maria. So the broker's open was successful. We had about 14 agents show up. We still have plenty of food left over. Thank you for the ones that reached out and came and learned a lot of new things about Ave Maria. There's a lot of future projects, new construction homes. And give me a call, 239-200-1543, or just email johnnysellsnaples@gmail.com for any questions about this listing. Thank you.